In case you have been living under a rock, Florida, Georgia, North Carolina, and Tennessee have been rocked by Hurricane Helene. Some places have been impacted far more than others, Asheville, North Carolina being one of those places. Not since 1916 have we seen such catastrophic flooding that will forever change the Biltmore area in Asheville, North Carolina. One summer day in 1916, the Swannanoa River rose up and swallowed Biltmore Village in one of the worst incidents of flooding that western North Carolina has ever seen. Many drowned during the storm, and some houses withstood the flooding until the water subsided, and then some collapsed into the Swannanoa. Then came Frances, Ivan, and Jeanne, which all crossed the Carolinas over the span of 3 weeks, causing flooding, landslides, and the wettest month ever in the western part of our state back in the summer of 2004. The first of the 3 systems to develop was Frances, which became a tropical storm midway across the Atlantic on August 25th and was a major hurricane just 2 days later. Frances left 14 inches of rain across the Black Mountain Swing or River Basin, which caused downstream flooding in the Asheville area. As Frances was headed out of North Carolina on September 8th, Hurricane Ivan was nearing Category 5 status over the Caribbean Sea. It was farther south than Frances had been, but still bound for a similar destination. The greatest rainfall totals came across the southern mountains, with up to 17 inches at Crusoe in Haywood County. Overall, amounts in western North Carolina were generally between 6 to 10 inches. Hurricane Jeanne was the final storm of the 3 and had the latest impact. The week it spent slowly drifting over open ocean may have been a blessing for western North Carolina. That extra time allowed water levels to drop, and even though Jeanne's remnants arrived only 11 days after Ivan's, it didn't crest rivers to the same heights as the previous 2 storms. Now, after Helene has passed, the job of cleaning up has begun, and I can tell you it is not going to be easy. Many cars and trucks have been displaced alongside mobile homes and stores. We watched as some were washed away in the storm, and some may not rebuild, but the community will, and it will strive again.